Hi everyone. So this is a replacement side door for the GoPro Hero 9. On Amazon, the title is Replacement Side Door for GoPro Hero 9 Aluminum Alloy Removable Battery Case Cover Protective Type C Charging Port Adapter Repair Part Camera Vlogging Accessory Black. Wow. All that for a part that you want to replace here on the side of the GoPro Hero 9. One of the designs of the GoPro Hero 9 is that you can put this underwater. That's the cool thing, and so it has this side door that's really nicely fitted. But of course, there are things inside that you need, like the USB-C for charging, right? And also you have your SD card. So what I wanted is, I want to have this, I'm not going to put it underwater, but I want this side door to have an opening so that I can put my USB-C cable when I want to charge it. So I have this battery that's being charged, so we're going to remove this one. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to open this up, and then apparently we can just pull it out. So we can just move, keep going up, and it should just pop. There it is. Okay. Doesn't look like it's damaged at all. I haven't done it for a little bit. Always try to be careful. All right, and then I'm going to open this up. See what we got. Okay, that didn't work. Try our pocket knife. That will always work. Okay. And here it is. Okay, let's put this off to the side. Wow. Construction's really nice. Although this particular GoPro Hero 9, look, it has screws. I wonder what's that for. A pad. This one also has a pad as well. Okay, so we're going to put the battery in here. Let's see if that fits. Yeah, that looks good. And then we're going to put this, just slide it in, I think. Let me see. Let's see, do we put it on from the top? The side? Maybe from the side. It is made out of aluminum, not plastic, so should be pretty tough. By the way, if this content is interesting for you, please subscribe and please give it a thumbs up. Okay, I aligned it. Huh. I didn't hear it snap, but it is aligned. Try that again. It looks like it's grabbed in there. Interesting. It's pretty tight. I mean, it feels very, yeah, I guess tight. And you can see that it's bulging a little bit from the sides, and I think, you know, they're not designed that well. That looks like, you can see that there seems to be a gap right there. Now, to open it, you lift this up, and then you can lift this. Okay. Trying to make sure this looks fine. It doesn't look like it's misaligned or anything. It's a very snug fit, but at this point, it looks like it's torquing a little bit. And right there, it's not aligned. I don't think so. I don't feel it snap in any way. You know, that doesn't look aligned to me at all. Something's going on here. Okay, let's see. Let's try this again. I just don't hear it snap at all. Okay, that might look more aligned, but it just looks like this is more, like right here, it seems more closer than here. Okay, I felt something there. I felt a little more tugged in. It's not even. Look at that. Here you can see this side here. This one seems to be bulging more, but maybe if I close it, okay. Right here you can see that it's pretty well flush, but over here you can see it's not, and that's where it's more open. I don't know what is going on there. Could it be like that? Some of these things are not designed perfectly. Okay, let's pop that in. Still, there's just a little bit coming out right there. I'm not too sure what's going on in there. Right here, it's not super perfect. There seems to be a much larger gap here than here. But let's take a USB-C PD. Let's put it in there. That fits. There's a red light. Okay. All right. Stick that up out. Again, we can pull this out. Yeah, see, it just pops out. I'm not sure. Let's try this one here. And this one, you can feel it snap in. And you should be able to pop it out. You just at this angle, you should be able to pop it in. All right, and you don't feel any resistance. And you can pop it out. But this one, I'm trying to pop it in this way. It's really loose. And it's not flushed here. It's nice flushed there, but it's not flushed And it feels like it just pops out. I think I feel it go in there, but and it just doesn't seem to. It does snap in, but it just feels like it's gonna pop out. It looks like there's some screws there too. You know what? I'm not really satisfied with it. I mean, it's $14, but it just doesn't seem to be something that I would rely on. I mean, it just seems to pop out too much, too easily. So, I'm not sure. I mean, for a pinch, maybe. I mean, if I really need it as an emergency or something. But, I don't know. It might affect this pin that's over here. Removing it, putting it back. Will it fall off? Who knows? So I'm not sure. I'm not too happy with it. Okay, so hopefully that gives you an idea of this particular replacement door. There might be others out there. I'll see if I can find another one and see if that works a little bit better. Okay, I hope that was useful, informative, and please consider subscribing, and please give it a thumbs up if you think it was something useful for you. Okay, I'll see you later. Bye-bye.